Hey y'all, what's going on? This is Joanne coming to you today with 12 online jobs that pay very well in right now, 2019. Number one is called the Estee Lauder Company, New York City. You're going to be an associate. Remember, online jobs that pay very well. And you have to work independently along with the directors of the talent acquisition, collaborating directly and bringing the hiring managers and bringing with hiring managers. How you're going to be helping in hiring the managers. 3 years experience in marketing. That's number one. Number two is Workframe in New York City. Manager. Head and support the implementation, onboarding, and the process for the assigned accounts, and serve as an expert on all the operational aspects of all the Workframe platform. Bachelor's degree in the related discipline. Number three is called Betterworks in New York. I have 12 for you today so you can make some money, and these is 12 online jobs that will pay you very well. And this one I'm talking about right now is called Betterworks in New York City. Manager, engage closely with the program lead, and an executive sponsor at each customer. You're gonna you're gonna have an executive approach toward each customer, but you must have 2 to 3 years in customer service. Number four is Atlantis Management Group in Maspeth, New York. This one, it says they have all positions and they're hiring right now. 1 year in sales in retail, high school equivalent, and you got to be fluent in English. Number five is Care Cube, Brooklyn, New York, my hometown. Administrative, $18 to $20 an hour for this position. And you need 1 year as experience as a supervisor or 1 year experience in customer service. So if the more experience you have, the more money you can make an hour. So if you have minimal experience, you probably make 18. You have managerial experience, you can make up to $20 an hour. Y'all, I'm not kidding you. This is real. Number six is Naturopathica, New York City. Customer service rep, manage and provide above and beyond customer service and experience through the live chat, emails, and phone channels. 1 to 3 years of relevant work experience in customer service. And you need your bachelor's degree for this position. Number seven is called U.S. Sports Marketing. In New York City. You're gonna be a part-time rep and you work on commission only. The company is looking for a sales rep. Work from home, make your own hours. You must have great phone people skills. And intensive outbound phone calls. These are online jobs that pay very well. Really good money you can make each hour, because a lot of them I see here that you work off of commission. And depends on your experience, you can make a lot off of commission. So it's like basically the more you sell, the more pay you get. That's how it goes. When you think about it, that comes with any job. Like the more you sell, the more money you make. That's it. Number 8 is called Centric Consulting, y'all. In Annapolis, Maryland. Personal assistant. $500 to $750 a week, y'all. Listen to that. $500 to $700 a week, and you can work part-time, or, well, it's part-time position, but you can move up. It has a position where you can move up to full-time potential. You got that. So if they like you, they will move you to full-time, and you be making $750 a week, only part-time. So can you imagine how much you be making full-time? Think about that. You must have organization and time management skills, accuracy and attention to detail. Communicational skills and financial skills are preferred for this position, because you could make only part-time, you make $750 a week. Imagine full-time, you probably make like $1,200 a week. And the next one, number 9, is called Health Insurance Campaign. California. It says California, Maryland. I didn't even knew they had a California, Maryland, but they got a California, Maryland. Social media campaign. You can make up to $1,250 a week, but like I said earlier, some of these is on commission. It's commission only, but you have the potential to make up to $1,250 a week. 1 year social media marketing and you get attractive incentives and other benefits. Number 10 is called Cape Investment Management in Owing Mills, Maryland. Associate manager, $15 to $18 an hour, part-time position. 2 years of financial advisory experience. 2 years. And you must have your license with Series 7 for this position. Series 7. Number 11 is called Skild Solutions, Princeton, New Jersey. Telemarketer, $15 to $20 an hour. Part-time position. I get happy because, not a lot of jobs where you can make $20 an hour. Some of them is minimum wage. Some of them is like $7.50. But this one, you can make up to $20. A lot of them I like, because a lot of them you can make up to $20 an hour. Some of them right here I'm looking at, the last one I just said, you can make up to $1,250 a week, but that one is on commission. Number 12 is called IContracts Inc. This is in Bridgewater, New Jersey. A pricing analyst, $50,000 to $65,000 a year. Listen. I'm gonna say it again. You can make up to $50,000 to $65,000 a year, and you're going to be reviewing, validating, and reconciling client transactions for the government pricing calculation. 3 weeks paid time off. 3 weeks paid time off. 1 year experience in government pricing. I didn't even know they had government pricing. I didn't even know there was a job for that. But I got it, and you can make up to $65,000 a year. You must have 2 years in as a financial analyst. So these are some awesome these are 12 online jobs that pay very well. One you can make up to $65,000 a year. If you have your experience, if you have the 2 years in financial as a financial analyst, this job is for you. And you know what? So funny. They're actually hiring right now as we speak. So what I'm gonna do is do the video, finish the video. So don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss these awesome jobs that I'm gonna put out. And hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything that I do, because I do them fresh every single week. I'm not going to say I do it every Monday, but I do them every week. Fresh. And I want to just bring these jobs to you to let you know this is my job right here. It's a full-time job. I do this as full-time. I put 110% in what I do and what videos that I put out. I want to put out something that is going to help you guys out. And the one that's looking at this video today, I want to help you in any way that I can. And, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Don't forget, guys, hit the like and subscribe so you can be the first one to get notified. But you have to not forget to hit the bell notification, okay? So you don't miss on any of the videos that I do. And don't forget to share this video. Share it to your friends. Share it on social media. Share it on social media as far as Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Reddit, whatever platform you got, and you think that, and you really think that this is going to help somebody, share it. I'll be more than happy if you do that. That will definitely help the channel to grow. And don't forget, guys, sign up at Bluehost. When you click on Bluehost, I'm going to put the link on the bottom. You click on Bluehost, and today it costs $2.99 just to sign up. But you know what? For you supporting my hustle, I will get some type of commission. But you know what? That's not even important. The important thing is that I love bringing work from home jobs, not even just work from home jobs, customer service jobs, data entry, side hustles, passive income, whatever I could bring to help you gain employment and put money in your pocket every week. That's all that makes me happy. Just to see a smile on your face, to know that I helped you, that makes my day. So don't forget, like, subscribe, hit the notification button, guys, share the video, and also sign up at Bluehost. It's a web hosting company, and you can sign up and get your own website. You can sign up and get your own personal blog and start making money that way. Your website, you can make it personal and make it and start your own business. Now, you can sign up or just if you want to be a YouTuber, be a YouTuber, because that's an awesome way to, gain a lot of friends, have a lot of fun. And that's why I love to do it. Not only am I bringing this to you as a way of generating subscribers, generating views, and bringing the jobs to you, but I also would like to bring this to you so you can gain employment, put money in your pocket, and sign up have these awesome opportunities that is in the palm of your hand. When you click on my video, you click on my video, you're gonna love it. I'm not gonna say I'm hype or anything, but I put everything into my videos. And if one link doesn't work, I look for the link that is the right link. That's what I do. I do my homework. I just don't pop up on here, just start doing videos. No, I have to do my research, because I would want the same thing for myself. If I'm looking for a job, I would want the same thing for me. And that's what I want for you. So, like, subscribe, share the video, hit the notification button so you don't miss any videos that I do. I'm doing fresh every week. And I wanted to thank you so much for coming to my channel. You made my day for just watching this video. If it's only one person that I reach, that's cool. But you know what? I'm so happy that I got some subscribers that look for me. And to you guys, I'm so happy for you. I so appreciate you. And for the potential new subscribers, I appreciate you too. Even if you just coming to see what I got to talk about, makes my day. You have no idea. So I'm going to say I'm out, and hit the notification button, guys. All right? Take care. Because my allergies is kicking in, and I took allergy meds, and I'm feeling it. But I had to bring this video to you. Love you guys. Take care, all right? And be safe in these streets. Take care. Bye-bye for now.